Welcome to your favorite car review show.
But actually, not cars today, tractors.
Yes, actually, today was Bring Your Tractor to School Day, and we interviewed some students that brought their tractors to school. Welcome to Gears in Guam. Who am I here with this morning?
Alex Heisey.
All right, Alex, what kind of tractor do you have here for us today?
Right behind me is a New Holland T7 210.
Nice. And how much does it cost to get a New Holland?
Probably around $150,000.
Wow, that is a lot of money. A lot of money that I do not have. What's your favorite thing about this tractor?
It's blue. It's the best tractor out there.
Nice. I love blue. What's it used for?
We usually hook it up to a rake to rake fodder or straw, and then we also hook it up to the lime spreader.
Nice.
All right, now who am I here with?
Autumn Martin.
All right, Autumn, and what kind of model tractor is this?
This is a John Deere 7420.
Wow, John Deere. All right, and what's your favorite thing about this tractor?
Well, I guess I have to say it's green.
Green, you heard it here first. Green is superior to blue. And what is this tractor best used for?
Well, on the farm, it's a very versatile tractor. We use it for almost anything.
All right, you heard it here first. Now you know.
All right, can I have your name, please?
Jesslyn Risser.
All right, Jesslyn. What type of tractor do you have here?
A Ford, one of the best.
Nice, a Ford. What's your favorite thing about your Ford?
I can pop wheelies on it.
Nice. What do you use it for?
I use it to drive myself around. This is how I get around. It's my new whip.
Nice. Can we see you use it in action?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice. Who am I here with now?
Chase,
All right, Chase. What kind of tractor do you have here for us today?
John Deere Model A.
Nice, a John Deere Model A. What's your favorite thing about this?
It's old.
It's old. I like old tractors. What do you use your tractor for?
Show.
Show? How many shows have you taken it to?
Not really.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
And who am I here with right now?
Ethan Russer.
All right, Ethan, what model tractor is this?
A John Deere 4430.
All right, John Deere 4430. Now, what is your favorite thing about this tractor?
Definitely the color.
The color? Again, the color green is superior. What is this tractor used for?
Mainly field work.
All right, you heard it first.
May I have your name, please?
Reed Levingood.
All right, Reed. What kind of tractor do you have here for us today?
I have a Ford 5000.
Ford 5000. When did you learn how to drive tractors?
Probably when I started working at Triple M Farms.
Nice. What's your favorite thing about your tractor here?
It's the color blue.
Everybody says they like the color blue. It's a famous thing around here. What do you use your tractor for?
Everything and anything.
Everything and anything. Thank you.
I'm here with?
Gage Sellers,
All right, Gage, what model tractor is this?
John Deere 4450.
John Deere 4450, all right. What's your favorite thing about the John Deere?
Rolls cool when I start it up.
Rolls coal, all right. And what is this tractor mainly used for?
Field work.
Field work, all right.